Good morning. Welcome back. Thank you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful, blessed day. I am just gonna do one last thing. I'm prepping these walls. I've already taken a broom and broomed all of the walls. As you can see, the walls have all been sanded. They're all done. I haven't finished over here, but I'm not too concerned about that right now. That is going to be more or less. I'm going to work on that when I start working on the kitchen. The whole reason is the main thing was I just wanted a continuous. I don't know if you can see it. I have they're like 10-foot ceilings, 9'8" I think. I just wanted a continuous wall all the way around the room. That was that's the main thing that I pushed for these last couple months, was that so when I put the crown molding up, it's continuous, because when we came here, there was no continuous anything. This wasn't here. This entire thing wasn't here. If you've been following my previous videos, I put this all in so that it would be continuous, because there was nothing actually, there was nothing here. This is where the old door was. This is where there was a wall here, and this was some kind of foyer, as you can still kind of see with the wood on the floor, and it had a really strange entrance there where it came into the room at an odd angle. So by doing this, it opened this entire room up. We gained probably, was that 100 square feet? We gained about 100 square feet here for the living room, for the living space, even though, I understand that's the entrance. Let's see. I did mask off all of the receptacles and the switches. Those are all new that I put in, so that there's actually receptacles pretty much every 6 feet. So I made sure there was none over there. So I got the ceiling medallions in. I don't know if I've showed those. I may have. Just cleaning those up. Sorry about the lighting. It's a really dreary day here. Normally it's sunny. It's only like, I don't know, 36, 37 degrees outside, which is about 30 degrees cooler than yesterday. And got this medallion in, cleaned it up around the outside. Love those medallions. They were only like $15 on Amazon, and they're foam injected, so they're not hollow. They're pretty solid, and I really like them. So they give a nice classiness to the living room. So just what I'm doing right now is I got one of these inexpensive sponges at Home Depot the other day. They're the ones that you're supposed to, generally you use them for when you put down tile, for the grout, wiping the grout off the tiles. But I found they work really nice. Like I said, I broomed all these walls down because I used 220 grit on the entire room. Made it super smooth, because remember, it was all really nasty. It was just really nasty. I don't know if you can see it in here. It was this stuff. It was like, I don't know, 1/4 inch. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, there you go. So, and I can't stand that, because I think every time I look at that, I think that the walls are dirty. So, taking the sponge, I'm gonna wipe down all the walls and the ceiling. I don't want to get it. I don't want anything on the walls, because I'm getting ready. I have I got some paint. I got some paint at Home Depot. The Bear primer and sealer for drywall, and I got a 5-gallon of Bear interior sealing, the ultra pure white. I've used Behr before. I'll spend a couple extra bucks. It's really nice paint. So I got my little sprayer all hooked up. So got this all hooked up and ready to go. Got the cord on, or not the cord, the tube, the paint tube that runs to the sprayer nozzle. And got that all done, got that ready. I'm gonna do one or two more things. Then I'm going to suit up. I got myself I'm gonna look like a little spaceman. So, got my little protective hood. I couldn't find I wanted one of those cool little painter's hats, but they didn't have one at Home Depot, so I just bought the one with the hood. So, yeah. So like I said, once I get this done, then I'm gonna get suited up and I'm gonna primer the walls and ceiling, and then we'll see how that turns out, and then I'll hook up, if it works out really well, I'll hook up the, I'll just switch containers from the primer to the paint, and then I'll paint the ceiling. And I think we've come to a conclusion on the color. Behr makes this, I guess it's called vanilla ice cream. It's a beige, which I think will go really well with I'm planning on painting all of the crown molding and the molding in the room a Behr Ultra Gloss White, which I've done in other houses, and I think it just looks super classy. And I think it'll be a nice, I don't know, I'm just trying, I can't think of the word. It doesn't matter. Anyways, let me get this stuff all done, all the walls wiped down, and I will see you next time on Cheaper Than Rent. You all have a blessed day. I'll talk to you later.